On August 23, 2022, just after 7:00 a.m., Florida Highway Patrol was chasing a stolen truck out of Tampa. But this wasn't just any truck. It was a full-sized box truck, swerving northbound in the southbound lanes, putting every driver on I-75 at serious risk.
Everybody hold the traffic for a second. Keep calling. We're through the parking lot. We're about to come out at 34th Street.
The man behind the wheel, 34-year-old Brandon J. Baker, a suspect already wanted for an armed carjacking before he ever got behind the wheel of that truck. As the truck rolled into Gainesville, the Alachua County Sheriff's Office stepped in. Baker veered off I-75 at S.W. Archer Road and kept going.
Hey, pull him into the Best Buy.
Parking lots at Butler Plaza, dodging traffic in the 34th Street Plaza, and generally driving like a guy with nothing left to lose.
Here's the city to help us, guys. We need to stop this now.
Stand by. Okay, so third part of attention being, we are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. Through Metro Diner Plaza. And then on 34th, keep off. Everybody hold the traffic for a second. Keep calling. We're through the parking lot. We're about to come out at 34th Street.
But at the 2100 block of SW 34th Street, it all caught up to him. Baker bailed from the truck and tried to run on foot, but FHP and ACSO deputies were on him in seconds. No shootout, no escape, just a dangerous chase shut down before it turned tragic.
Again, coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound on 34th.
He was taken to Alachua County Jail and booked on a stack of felonies, with even more charges incoming from Tampa PD. Some people steal fast cars, others a box truck. Either way, the ending's the same.